Yes, I'm going to watch my Kwaba BMC Uguso Eshe Badwam on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Sanso and a multi TV channel so Ocean Live and so on. Yes, stream on Facebook Adom TV Extra, Adom TV Extra. Sanso na bit me ako YouTube no search for Adom TV and live and what them. Happy birthday Enko Enfama Emilia Brobe. It's your birthday. Nyamin Shraw, no nyokese. From the whole of Team Adom, see I wish you all the best. Nyamin Shraw kopim say, obeye inshapa. We love you. No one can hone my pa, oye edema of my Ghana. And it will be a would do birthday so no, yet she won't there. No pain. Ever a second year, my Kingdom Home Estate. I can't so be your baby at was Majua, a Kingdom Home Estate for catching kwa. And on my papa or one more. Okotino mo estate mo timi say ampa wa baba bi osum ebejo. Sma ka che ho no mo tourist site na twa ho ahia. E so to one ma wuntwe ska kra anko tourism biem. Because o te tourist site ankasa. O te be pon so sa na aish ohu ba bia. Estate na kasa sum so ye secured akwan ye nsuo ye kanea ye kama say. CCTV cameras nso atwa e ho nyina e hye ntutimo dia boni mposi e be chi nipa boni fo ne sesie. Kingdom Home Estate. Who is can up so to fear for nature hodum. No more fear ne bo for na eye ne papa so. And your mom would say 2x4 cement is it dead or trebi. But corner wash I say why or cause be seen in Sumtina as an asha say wine. Kingdom Home Estate the entesa. Blocks papa, cement papa, and your papa. Any day SC Eddie Amawo. Shishamo Ewo and crime. Phrase 0536 149961 0536 149961 and 0303 939 987 0303 939 987 Kingdom or no challenger. Ye twitwi ese am yamo franso atwi omo sem ya eye care product ene ye yusu eti ye worker 362 paste e oreboa e ma kro bie wo num bia na yini nyina e de fi no saso ma wo sene so e de nkapapa so bo wonum ye pa saso na Kelchaco toothpaste e bidie timase ne fita smaka say kantine de bidie no gu body tire so ene de paste ene de egu ye prasho de twiese no twi wo setim sampa no nyina e ko de ma keke ne so ye kwada ne so de akwara twi ne se esase mu wo denten da bi opese o twi ne se smaka bi abeko bia osebeka bi ato wona pedodom atu enfre 0593 809227 0593 809227 and 0246 865-798 0246 865-798 Kingdom Herba yarebe na no ADSM so da unya Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsule that me aboa manipadua na hodi etimi abamu ye pa Kingdom Herba for na kofa Kingdom Garlic Bitters na for Kingdom Garlic Capsules de eba na nyina ye adwuma ba ko bi won mo a ope bitters ompe capsules no obi su pene yemene ompe nsu ntini ope bia na akwakoto ne ebo set bi bua ma enkwamo ne padwam eboa ekuti awodo ne padwam no ehyem kena ma ho ye den se na bi ade bia ba ya na edi ne so enkunim saa so na stade awdo ado ne padwam no Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules be na ne nyina e de fo no e de ma we dey to a new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules e be ma ne dia we me man kwade am so uni vision wotwe a enye ma ba am se de bia fa to se enye aphrodisiac e na anom ya na no ba de kwa akoda eye adura onum ase onye tipa no ama oduro na eye oni padwam saa na new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no enso eye eyi o how bia be me wo sisiment ama mema yesebo mpam akofom no eyi saa how ne nyina e de fro no e de ma tremendous no so ye ma ne de ma ne yiste so ho ye pa oyi white e de fro no Ghana ba bia to do bia kwa nsabeka bi ato atufofo ani che Kingdom Herbal Center Okaichi Drug Lane frame 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or no challenger. Alapenso ba bedi nkomo we de ye na ye yankasa bodwabodwa ene eduru yeso ye na eti makola ye na eti Kumasi Central Market ye na okofo odwa Central Market etwa biem wo bia no na no pasho no eye wodia so ma me so ntimi anhwe a minim se monko school hwe no ba odi bia man se na bia ma me sikasem no behuna no e ma be bredi dwa ohunu sika no obi anso nwie sika no first pa na no mle to na yekosane aboso na so ne no o ma san aboso ni nti no kokora ko chida o kokora ya dia me aboso no ese o ma san but o ma me sika no di dwan o huna no bibi na ese enti asebi ne ni baby ye ka school asmenye ne akotena classroom a teacher ni afa pen ni paper e chalk ato board so na wo sensan ma homework o school ni bi e na no pay ye de adwanifo e ba be kono tu ye adwadini se supermarket kitu bi na wo se kese na wo se costo bi na wo se ne kitu asa ne kese e kwan a betimi afa so be di dwa amfa so be ba so na be hu usika botne e de firi umfa so ehun komo ne ba be di ne anopay pani ba ko abi ni mudi ye pa eba adwadie mu enkitan de ne afutu a Ghana minim so yina obi fu obi mo de din e de Mrs Ivy apia evishapa
afen komete
boko de
yame Adom
ya da yame ase ara pa hwefo eni abre se ye besua de nyenye papa de afiri wonum tirim se emwa kosi na ebe komula ba maka cho se ne so be full na atum se bia wo so a wo tie no wo question bia pese obisa no ya no correct no bia wo ye de mawa obetimi obisa ne nyina enso e de everyone. But once again, very good morning to you. Alex Ebua. Was nyane nyame nshira one anopai. Meji so ho ye pa. Chief contractor ba ko wo monomantem. And you koku oware. Ya so asante mampo. Me chara pa. Etie hwe ye betimi astarte aka say business afi.
In fact, very necessary.
Okay.
One thing obi ehia said the TBA no wo bibi kakra wo ya sometimes no and most of the times na ma a bit of security.
Okay.
E ma wo hu say at least I am purpose bi wa brabom.
Okay.
You know ye bibi a utumi ya somehow financial independence beginning in the ending eno de bia de make no beginning
from him to him.
Okay. De bia make a check for say wo share adwuma ase a empress adwuma no be gina be ye sisi a
okay
sacrifices be brave come ti am say amommo be 5 years 5 years make be obi ase but 5 years no wo sha ase a ebeba wan sha ase so a ebeba enti wo sha ase mom na ne wo ye na ehwie egu na wo san sorry na ehwie na wo dey build the experience so ti 5 years so no do path of growth because bibi anyo hu bio
okay
enti beginning ne there aya grofo give you up too early edwuma no yetumi koye bi na edwiri ne asan hyase na emom no se woya so wo pentam na de eduru baabi a eno na na ha adwe
5 years emuwa
but emu nso nwa
60 months
eno na ebe mu hu se ade ya me ye I say menya tenacity bi say no matter what ade we there mahwe 5 years ama hwe de abesin there or say me som na me yere
the yentis utwem 1500 days no but
kaka serious
so the minute me agina
e be gina so we yere wo hu na ye consistent say wo kono na wo build our experience
okay
experience a wo anya no e wo adwuma mu no o kire kora wo say wa kom
okay
inti no enya pepa so de enru ho no na de wo ye bia no if you say be ye a uhu say ade we 2 years ebe ye uhu say ade we de me pushi a me yiri me hu say ya menya say ana me yiri me hu say ko nanim enti ade we de say me pursue a metimi enya mu experience metimi akomanim enti within the 5 years no there will be a lot of discouragement a lot of you can say issues from within and outside be brave to me aba na me de bia me ka say enema etumi ha adwuma pa no normally ye mu krofo even the family members
okay
sometimes no ye to me my adwuma ne ye dey ma ye ho it takes time into who ne say we me say aha no say me mo bi lead o ha na me twe me ho kakra na nipa no me hwe otumi lead the face na me so me hwe de ebesi I think say ne nyina aboa.
Okay, for now, me pese me start me aka some bodwa. Se bi ye store ketu e bi na pese menya shop wo manim na pese me bi. Die niema na o se me di gu akoma sai se menya me shop. Menya me niema me kwa koton.
Okay.
To make sure say that 5 years akonto na me ko make sure say adwuma betime agine ye no. Die niema na o se me di gu akonto ma enema toto so ye de mame.
Okay. I think say one of the most simple thing I also hear is say obenya proper bookkeeping.
Okay.
Say de bia ye can bookkeeping enye bibi huhu bia o ya to say na meton no and say cost and our sales. I then meton ni say maton ni say and then maton me sales you say but profit I know sometimes issue I mean who say people have and they say they make sales with profit.
Okay.
There was sales and there was profit. Sales na nya wo dia. Sales ni na ya adwuma ne dia. Even at a point adwuma ne profit so kra nya wo dia. Dia yo dia no e ya amount ade beto ho ase bia o salary.
Okay.
And e yo dia. But nkofo makes it sika ne nya ba ne nsempe e se ni nyina ye ne dia. No wa sha ase no de bi bobesia. No wa sha ase no de bi totontare. Into no there's a particular lifestyle they be recommended for business owners. What shall I say? You have to go into hiding kakra. And your baby na near a party way because the business is still in the growth stage. One show yeah, you'll be tempted to take the sales and spend. And as a profit now, and you would the company in Ediano, or here don't sabebom. Because a baby I walk or ye chantuma, baby I walk or see a JJ to bois. It has to go through a cycle. You have to put yourself in that cycle. Yes, sir. Okay. You end up eating into the company's money.
Okay, to be bookkeeping.
Yes.
It's
where we are bookkeeping. They say no, say you're ready to be loyal to yourself. Okay. Say in terms of be truthful. Say na eduma no ameki, but we nya media. Inti no me de me hu two payroll so. Okay. Say be as say eduma no ntumi ntua meka me deserve pass 5,000 cedis. But eduma we ntumi ntua meka 5,000 cedis. E be betumi ntua meka 500. How you have to live within that and only difference, you know. Into a boha or when you sales no dealing, but you have to live within the budget that the company or the amount the company can pay you at any point in time. Into it changes, okay. Lifestyle changes. When I put myself through my own experience, it got to a time I had to be out of reach for some time because I realized that all these weddings and programs and required payments. The baby I made to me no ma send kakra na matana because sometimes you look at the cost involved. You see kana eye wan kasa dia no. You can't spend it on that. Yeah. So it's like it's a very lonely journey. Also we can watch him say I will be out of reach for some time and build a business. Because you're too available, it comes with cost. Baby it comes with a lot of cost. Okay. I remember I was even off a lot of platforms. I was not if everyone besides and now what too quiet. Because it comes with cost to be available. Okay. Even family issues, I made them clear. I said, I'm trying to build a business. Issues, they took me out because when him say they agree there. I say, what they are more fun to say I no when you want to no when your money. It has to come to that point. Okay. And yes, sir, if you are in a hurry to be big, to be there, to be known, to be CEO, when you know, say I don't know, a baby because all build no sab and near man wow feminine. What do you say our Juma? Say simple bookkeeping no it's as simple as it is, but you have to know it before in the future you can employ an accountant. Because they are way you know now go for be better now. Nipa no ebe bukra won de way. But OTS you say bookkeeping this is my simplest way of understanding bookkeeping. This is what I know that I have to pay myself on this budget and live within the budget. Until this is until do baby adwuma ni na afi who say I need somebody to do proper bookkeeping for me. You have the basic knowledge. Okay. Until now they build the experience. Before we built Tiwajo industry, we were everything. Say I was the system, I was I do this with my husband. He was a marketing manager, I was a production manager. We had to learn on the job. So that when we are bringing people in, we have to they will know exactly what we expect. Okay. And then we will know whether they are performing or not. Aha. Ebe who say omo ye adwuma no ana say omo nye. Enti niam we nyina no say the American who they build the bibia to hold. Okay. Who ma wo so ho akomu no who say ade we nipa no ba adwuma no ya na say wonye because me ko mu no say na net.
Me dru ahonyehiem so bia mabie madwuma. Metimi abom adwuma mbosia.
Okay. Say as long as a besia na wo bo adwuma no no e affect adwuma no. Inti edru baby aya na ye very also ye very careful. Okay. Say sika mi yi me working capital de bia me here say me togum na me ton no fine excess kakra be wo ho nti ni na analysis we dey me can say be a layman for some time na te adena say na fe what build this so build ho professionally kra no wa build it nti amount a we year free mo no e be affect cash flow ana e be affect in out of the business sika come sika ba it will be stable into wait me about you write it down and you pay back. Okay. And also very important.
I was any interest Bianca.
Interest Bianca. As long as it's written for me, I believe maybe economics one worker said there has to be
There's we are not going to be yeah, but Mrs. Adia Bakwa egu entrepreneurship ye pa ya manfo aye for modwuma.
Yes.
Obefo obi adwuma do ni beto no so obekọ na wayi wachi but say me bie manka se madwuma na me ye adwuma o multimedia na me bie mi ambodwabodwa bia ebe ye se meja me multimedia na me ma ho de nyina akọ badwuma na me bie
okay me pacho eno ye can say eye edu ba bia e wo se wo ye ne sa
okay
yeah, for sometimes I catch up say do point be na person will step out. We give you the chance because you know we want you to grow.
Okay.
Into we are adwuma bi ka ho no. Or say adwuma no samre no also de put it in and near man kitty way.
Okay.
Into beginning now we adwuma no wo san ye wo de no. As much as possible hunu adwuma no so. Ti wo adwuma na se because sometimes crofo ko adwuma bi mo a omonte ase. Into be there. But everyone say weekend na ubenya time ye no say de wote ase enti e be kakra na wo gya bia ma obi no na wote de we koso ase e drew point o say wo hu say adwuma na afi de epeke de wa wo ye na side wadwuma no epeke uhu prospect say oh krofo efre even wo adwuma mu kra number na de ato obekọ na krofo afrefre wo so wo hu say adwuma yi ana amenya ne say enti no also wonya can say capital ne de wo ka say wo twen na wonya full capital de beto ne manyina wonya ida won sha say wonya nkoye full can say unko take full charge
okay
because time bia no it seems say sika ne nso na normally if you corporate ne ba ya adwuma mu na you expect your expectation be it was say we were say office no air condition or say you say because your expectation be near different one near them but what say ya pon shase because one here 10 years now near man na set now that's what but it is obia or entrepreneurial spirit. Okay. There was an analysis years ago say every Ghanaian woman is an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Because you now wow person ye bibi now they can dey wo ye ho very important. But who kono adwuma na wo ye o main job ma ho time. Na ma ho time so I'm building at least minya way basic way I make one say the main thing I here we adwuma if I say a shop and a space. I will do it. It be a registration be or say me here with the product whilst I'm there I'll do it. So that me back into full force enema we nyina enye issue.
Okay. Yeah. But starting business or Ghana is difficult.
Yes.
Difficult.
Very difficult. Me catch a say difficulty no. In free baby is within or say wow fear. And now we are me catch a say me papa angasa o believe in school.
Okay.
Enti obi believe in school now we school now per se beginning cry near ice cream.
Okay.
Yogurt. Near ya ni sachet near the mama mofra. Papa otumus why disappointed. Hey, na school bebrebe. Obi cross school bebrebe parking na mobeton. Hey, ready. Abembo no fear ni free. It's so difficult and it comes from your own home.
Okay.
And sometimes I just say do baby na maintenance but we have to understand so also investment why you wo na pocket there how no da be na benyeska enti na ahomete enti we kai pocket after a few years pocket ni win award any a friend we kai TV3 a friend so mo mra beta echi
okay
in fact after the who say pocket ni be yi and there one so no one put no be ya distribute do be share soap na se no be ya distributor
okay
enti it pressure no who fear na be free.
Okay.
So you have to be careful. You have to know how to manage them. They are very important. Say at least you let them know say the way there minjai into mo be ma me support na mo famra because no one na me decide say me and you let them understand say obi ane de woko obi de obeko into corporate no rising 10 be na abusua ba ko so me de na but ye nyina nya me adom ye nsa beko ya no. So people have to give you the space to fight on the entrepreneurial journey.
Okay.
And we all need good supporters. Like
to be a consult me kopimo na fa masa ne
and the omoka asa be say. And so sometimes the difficulty
me kwa was and afi usika dwetira de ko nyina akwa
aha enti ana sometimes no one share ya pressure no more dem on.
Okay.
We are in a hurry to grow because we so prove point. But in the midst of all the pressure, no, so we are now, said there, one will be who say in America, I'm going into a word in code poverty.
Okay.
Because I have to be there so that I can grow. It is sometimes in the pressure we get, you know, we are forced to be there.
Okay.
Into be na afraid the person prove say, some can say, be you na over expenditure be free company ma. The company is not there yet. It is our growth stage. Now make us say my whole time. Be patient with yourself.
5 years.
5 years. Now, who say 5 years no more? Just say you can become poor. There were times I make who cost a loan coins because you got the pocket coins near the mouth.
Yeah.
So you have to give yourself time to grow. And nipa no more looking at you in a certain eye. No?
Okay.
The same people when you get there, the view will change.
Okay.
And you know, and don't be in a hurry. I think it's a pressure no de my account. And sometimes you rush it said to be there and we are in a hurry.
Being an entrepreneur for specific encrophobia na and now be a bit me an entrepreneur.
In fact, it has come to kind of say for my own conclusion, no, be a bit me.
Yeah, sure.
And yet, obia in terms of obia what passion for something be able to me. But obia in quote, some people are supposed to work with others and take it to the next level.
Okay.
Into obi more feel say those who have that feeling. I also worked when I did my national survey. I worked with another company. Me who say, you're easily bored with routine work. Because I don't know, any more challenging. We have that spirit. And you know, you're just okay with the routine. It's okay. But some people, say, you made the Kenya me build.
Okay.
It's the sign of an entrepreneur. But as long as you see that in you, then that means it comes out at different stages. Obi there later in life. I do my things. I don't feel like it's challenging enough. I want to pursue something else.
Kwame na also me first on the bank for a deal. Semi entrepreneur.
Okay.
Ko ya ne kase. E sike mu kitenkete. Be pon de mu nyina bia be kwa kodu fie no. Na na wanya kura bi kura 1000. Na ne bank for twa kan de and say for the shop pass e. Enyina na eja.
Bank for ehu hia e wo entrepreneurship because you need controls. So we see kana akono e be reflect. Na wo koyi nso a reflecting. Ti no ka ho say ever say adwuma mu and some be back akra bia you can go back with a statement and see say said we can see to me first yes moti akra be you sika. We be ko bank na be cho say nye moti akoyi on this date. Wo koyi sika. It's for that reason there bank hu hia pa so that you bank in you cash out. Now amount transactions are clear. But in the beginning, don't be in a hurry to go for a loan from the bank. Fine, a human be a capital intensive. But remember example say at a point now you see that bank ice cream time in 1,000. Bank 1,000 cities. Bank will say yes catch a bank say here more. Here more say it's 20,000. We say manager necessary. Was real when he 3 months we say was go for when you see. We see 1,000. What can I say? Dear grow. It's almost toss ya mami who saw my. Okay. And no, don't be in a hurry to take facility, especially when you know say I no adwuma na nru sa facility no ni tu abaye den nti build with what you have nti na don't be in a hurry say wo pentam anyini no or say wo yito nchen unru ho say tabletop so na wa you grow gradually and fan say better take you 4 months 6 months we move from tabletop to a small kiosk ma ho sa time no na obi wo ho a na ya de chen your person movie but unim say there be me sikasem no may yet say this is my savings and may yet to her 6 months time make me a movie into him what happens and crofo nim ne say what me build a track record with the banks a do point to be anyo na abeko ho omo na ebe fro omo fro buza say na patcho yen to me unhia bibia e be do ho na what me hu with your own experience and they were build no who say I do omo dey ma me omo dey ticket tata me amoa me because me can me ni say ya make me nya say na me dey aye dey me enti time it will be holding on nice wo twen e de aduru baby a betumi no aduru baby na wo so oje na de ko wanim because what do who say ade we meje a betumi atua there are times I want me build a business na aduru baby say bank isi come ma mention dey here ade wo motata me say be interest wo for ma menje na me fanka adwuma na menye say na yenko yanim because who say sika we e ba say so tua e fan say the next man kwa betumi you only go for a loan na unim say let's say the next few months or so baka, you have it. Today what you are going for must be lower than what you have in your accounts. Yes. You go so jibusiamane bro. The first time we had to go for an overdraft. Okay. 2011. I remember our order to the US. It was way beyond our our expectation to me. But the point was it once a would drink said the obeyina na so wonim so bia moawa what the strategy na eboa ho e wan e ka check supplier and say buyer and say nyama wo ka no also to advance because e doso meanwhile na bank na so akoka say time ohia na ma no ye raw material natural raw material say ta is seasonal e bedru na ehwo ayeden nti o se enya sika togu ho but meanwhile no ya san ka check supplier and say 2% bi na yen san chance nti bank ni sika no ya jibom but you had to go through the supplier. Okay. And we had to play it well so that anytime within 3 months we're able to pay it off. And I think you have to look at what you have and use your own customers to pre-finance, especially when you are doing a good product, have a good product and a good job. Okay. Then your suppliers can even your buyers can even trust you. I want to ask them one. Dear na meya manipa meji ne mefiri nchen akwa akoton ebe trust him. Is it because makwato ade ba akumi ni miensenti no eno an meko ya free me na mekoton me yeska na mdo ade beto. Thank you. And also Grofo yes I think say you bebre okono keep on a track record no mum akọ forward say free me na. Okay. I think say it take it time. Okay. Sometimes no one say customer no supplier na de near man ba. Who policy who follow ne pepe who say e drew ho no ma if he say bibini na untumi a wo frɛ no. Okay. You now build the trust. It takes time to be build there but don't be in a hurry so pokwa ka che say for free me. Sometimes supplier no create me near man na abro ne so. Yeah. No afra will say oh ene de near man no e bia another person wanje bet me the account ho ana. Oh, as an after no air test. Okay. To me now more else. Oh, okay. And all the no can one. Mean to and said the mitiano. Obama me this time. Na metia. Sometimes crab baby bet me man post dated. And I say beer or bet me I trust wa. A son ya na de amano. Okay. To both say bedru baby no. O suppliers no. Afe omo na de near manumpo etata because who him say or had the begu ha ho ade me sabe kamisika e to be so ya na o distribution e bia make obi a show ne ma wo de na o ma example e ne ma ni pakra show so wo pede afri won o sika enso e ma nkoton fama yes e ho hia so be kwa ho supply be na ka say Ivy see me man ne ma 20,000 but me sika o sisi e bitimi ato ne ma e 5,000 yes me so for me Ivy twa me ka na otwe ba akwantima me wa de aba beto yes very possible but ni na trust no o say wo nyini gradually yeah enti enfa ne say first time I call ye wa go ka 20,000 o ka say ma me 1,000 esua enya ahin bia watua okay wo free preko pe nkonko hu ne say ma me na 500,000 na ya ma betua esa na dream no e doso baby a aso bibi say sida e mo akwaje 1,000 bi pe ana 2,000 ana 5,000 bi pe de asoso and a wetua on time ebia sense waje 10,000 20 wetua afọ ko say ene de niema na obisa na doso minim say doso nti we de meje 5,000 meje 50,000 eniema na mediaba because of track record our building tino emane very easy for you to
entrepreneurship yet say be tip of course for there
obi to me
ko yesu wan ko school na entrepreneur
Debi no mistake
wan ko school na wo ye mudwa otima kola ena wote Kumasi Central na se Kofodia Central Market
Debi
etisa
eyo obi a oye emfa ni say bro be diligent otumi ya de carefully otumi de ne ho hye bibi mu na oto ne bo no study niema wo hwe entrepreneurs be lifestyle obi kura wo especially omo ma build edru baby because wa build bibia ma afia ka no ho afọ onye bi kura na afẹ de ne life no kura we dem tie we said that we say but because ya ese wa mo ma nti ade na omo te de omo yase na omo hu sa ade we de ebe boa me nti o se me de me hu hyem nti se na tare bi na opeso oto na so hold on bronye de man to atare mo no me de hye adwuma nu bon se omo tumi dwen sa e bia ne ma hia e na odi ska ne ye ne ma de nkoso bebre no na odi ska ne ye enye bia ye fa ne se afekubo ye bibi na odi akohyem nti obi otumi dwen se ade we hu hia ade we de beboa madwuma nti de bia esa ya dwen nyina na adwuma no ya uko nyina wo hwe de beboa wadwuma no tu na mokra mpo a wo hwe bibia ubetimi ato ebetimi nti chese wadwen nyina nti life no aya na a bit odd nti yes nti obi otumi dwen that way no
adentina ye na book ni pen eda ye shop ya bion to da bia ye boka so ye ma no mu atwere kro mu ni mu twere bokro mu dwedi ekosto
I think say eno ana baka obi wo ho no ma bookkeeping no do baby a e kan say ho sha ase na uhia but obi an bookkeeping so nyina woni trimo ye ma me mo sa no oko school anka ebi anka no professor ebi akonya na because omo dwen the bookkeeping no okay ni po de neka ni review ubopo bebo amount na chi
na woni so mo ni enwa won say omo nyu calculator and so to near 5,332 betimi asama yeah one for calculator
there mama say sika there on there for book beto say 52 plus 30 obe struggle but there kase sika 52 Ghana and matter wait on for calculator obe kan
obe sama pepe
into the bookkeeping na woni trim into wo ye adwuma na onim se de boneka de dem fa so bre no into ofa ne ma no ofa ne a certain way o tenchan a o se mami ade we na kai master imu ye kama nso onim de onya mfa so ofa no mo no afa de bia enhye dan ko no ofa chese onim ni nyina to what shop wo be ko provision shops akese what bibi onim ne bo so priceless bia price tag bia mo bia we you say we 41 was an advance there 41 onim ni nyina because the bookkeeping ni kura no into okọ na ni mo no e bia ebedu baby no otene ma asiwi a na fia with time what me employ obi obetumi e dey ato paper so ama but ni nyina eboa eno the strategy no enya one say ni format no there be because obi use we eboa no anytime make say adwuma bia no strategy abe use no it has to be your strategy
a draw entrepreneurship
ya
kotu na amanfo abetu aguane ma so na ade be che obekọ na shop na umie no for somebody mu sata
draw bibia on a limit but I believe say whatever you believe in say nyame na wo som na entrepreneurship sikasa mu say spiritual intino wo ji nyame dia also di nyame edi weni because niema ni bi o no ma nyame Unyami a uji need na eboa because enema bo won tie especially opportunities e ba ya kwemu sabeti sometimes I know say enye kwa cause be hu na obi a link watch for her na obi ama opportunity we ubusa na guy we kura ohun wo he ana se nipa we kura chese utimu se ni nyina so ye network because sometimes you school mate bi a wonim no baby go say hey me mate wo ye bibi o ana se wadamfo bi into relationship ne network no eboa but draw the end there minimum
with relationship no as an entrepreneur for be Adam for.
In fact, beginning I will build the adwuma no.
Okay.
You need people.
Okay.
I mean, enyo bia no betime wa downfall. But you need people at certain levels. Say be a network. In terms of say groups say wo business people be share no.
Okay.
You have to be there. Ko wo chia we nsem miss me we na you are letting yourself known.
Okay.
To begin in, you have to be everywhere. To one we be bia we dwuma me wo sa wo be bia. Enti we are 1 man 1,000. But in crowd the build or network, now the build relationship. Until relationship, you know, say strategic.
Okay.
Because relationship be it may be a kind.
Yeah.
Especially your first export order through a cousin whose husband bought it. No, so they call it. There's a long story. Finally, you could do export and insem because the brother and also sakai. Until you see, say a linked. It will be one na kwan be because but giving so here. Sometimes when as an entrepreneur, as a business, you have to give. And also, it may be a kwan even Bible cracker. Sometimes we get donations. We say it be a kwan for opportunities amount. It as much it's not we don't really I can't say we try to put it back and give it out. I say one person entrepreneur, don't be in a hurry to own everything and to take everything. Okay. So lifestyle must be very simple. It has to be very simple. Yes, one person you cannot grow. Allow others to grow with you. See, sometimes you use different strategies. Now they pre-market. Now we test maybe more. Now we make discount. Now we hear promotions so that you are growing with people. People are now beginning to trust.
I expect that which enema bo cost. Looking at competition, be a wujinemo. Now we share our expenditure.
Yeah.
As obia mewura ekmebiem foforo. Me da tetem nema bo so am na ba from when the price na ye to no dwaman so no. And one obia ton.
Okay. And you know sometimes no na make say entrepreneur bia ye innovative. Bia wo dwen bibi ho. And sometimes you know there were times we step back me are training.
Okay.
All because training is now we pump it back. And you know, ube who say be ye turning in our boy pe, but yes we make sales from 1 or 2 places which is nobody knows. Okay. And you know, when one hour step back, sometimes and here maybe cry fan say we put it into a product and sell it. Okay. In the time be we innovative, we train how be ma cost about from. Okay. In the near maybe or honoma, ubet me their check. All because you know, say you are gaining it from this place. There are so many times as an entrepreneur, you have to step back and then do something extra within the same business and generate money for the business to grow.
So you're making sure, say, in our first row in the year, or say prices,
moderate, yes. Moderate. And you say you're cheap, or say you're moderate. And now, in the moderation,
okay.
It is sometimes, at the beginning, we're not paying ourselves. We're living a lifestyle. But we advise at a certain stage that, hey, pay yourself so that you know exactly what is yours.
Okay.
So that you don't put your money in the company's money. I think say your hand in the company's money. I think say ni na boy my who say, "Edu baby, sometimes I buy products with my salary to give out." Okay. So that because I know say be free company no more at this stage, because I hear a lot of first say giveaways, so I have to buy from my salary, I pay, and then I give out. So maybe so a company, but these are ways of what? And if I've taken it from that means that my lifestyle for that month has to change.
Yeah.
And you know, I management. And if you understand that, hey, one day it will grow, and all these things that you are losing will come back, then you are able to cut it off and grow with the business.
Employment. Or more employment
Yes.
A lot of entrepreneurs are jai because of perform for Majuma. Nipa unim ni baby.
Yeah.
Or say nipa ofo na dwuma ko hwe na kira ko ho baby otiana.
Yeah.
As a young entrepreneur.
Very important. Now saying a guarantors.
Okay.
I find say bibi ni na say kabi ba are they ready to pay? Until form out the more they have to prove you call them sometimes it takes a lot to start a business.
Baby, come for application letter now.
Maybe they are wrong. Or some application ba or reference. Now what you who say nipa way in case BBC or BB or company no more. Are you ready to pay? Yes, sir. Until the beginning, until said the right network, the right relationship. Police need you have to use those networks very well. Because a bedroom baby also chibi. A bedroom baby also use whatever you have, the links you have to help you grow.
I intend to never wish for you, Manana.
Coach now, Mamma no back.
A bedroom baby say, Tiana, I'm a chief.
Watching the farm, I'm no back. I saw so bad.
Okay. That's a young entrepreneur. I'll say, please, near that.
I think that these are the can't say family but the same rules. And you know, say near corner. But sometimes the mistake we make with family, they say, what fun or your family no? Untianica. Untianica, so chrono person.
Okay.
And you know, said the we be a payroll semono. And also that the same thing so. And I be any and yes, I feel now, oh, my clear. And near way. Now, sometimes no, you need somebody to lead, to be the face. Okay. So that near my way, no, you know, on your director, to go manager, go away. And these are sometimes the ways we go around it.
Okay.
Into family, normally they have to talk to whoever is in charge. And it's so fair, say, hey, yes, say tomorrow, and I say you, then I come with you here. It's like you manage them. Until whatever it is, maybe I'm ton them, papa, no, do no distribute my milk, master.
Okay.
Omuto
it is a me store. Me koto a sichre konkubako. Namako you or semitriaka.
Also, tia.
Mia me home.
Also, tia. The reason is a Sikano I and fast well also no enya hibia. Ofa konkubako, and fast when you know, to baby and scan the above, but end to meaning. For growth to happen also to yaka ubehu ye records behu na medium because matter there.
Okay.
Ye wo sometimes say bia ye production ti ye wo some na dey more bosom ye dey ma staff bia meso me staff me nya bi me dey sana me hia bia meto me laundry dey me dey senior bibia meto unless say bia ye lab trials bi na bi o say me dey bi call na me ko try and I say more omu bi no so ko try as simple as that beginning in the ending. Because sometimes what the near my any now person who give you a bit so idea say or so bet me I sir. When himself madam here auto will be here auto staff member we have staff price so that it's easier for staff to buy.
Okay.
I'll use the same staff price and buy what I need. Is that a what dream you at the we are free because just like so who had only cash I did to you but so me near through salary. It's simple. Yes, I want us our motto, and it teaches your staff say, I do way there, say near no. Mean to me, for bra mean to yaka. Who was a car fabeto, who needs a car bosomi swan, you better go so your staff, you better train, I'm a bosomi asu. So these are the practices, you have to subdue yourself to that practice. Yes, sir, will be able to me and said you open.
May start cold store, ni person or some form.
Okay.
Or may start.
It depends on how big. For me, I tell others say always no. I can only work with one at a time.
Okay. That
is personally, that's my personal because I want to see some my building systems not around this person.
Okay.
Intimate nipa second person is the same system. But the nipa issues, the attitude, the subai build the policy. Ebia my mantem can say what is the policy I can build about lateness? I'm a try to say, okay, so bantemwa, you lose this. One bantemwa, you lose this.
Okay.
So bantemwa, if you are consistently, you gain this.
Yeah.
I use it to build a policy. Percent me study the issues that will come when we grow. Then another person, but at least basic be menya. Na for be a no, so mention the attitude. Now they build the policy. And see, we build a policy. We don't borrow policy to a business. Oh, yeah, business and for be there. Oh, yeah. and family have to say na we no
vision and mission
no aside vision and mission no policies e be half what dey bo so mu dimrika no mo ba nti sa na me be ye no da bi onkrofo ane omo ye adwuma no omo na be mu hu policy e be boa
okay
because some attitude na be boa mo say say adwuma mi ye ni say ya onkrofo say no mo de be ye me nti say dey free na ko say oba say na be fele say na be kono nti ube hu ana policy no they build it around the same people
okay
in madwuma bi omo bodo nyina adoma say dey go school ye bo cleaners why you late nti nya nu nti na so ko fa adoma be si wadwuma so be bo clean there be wo de no say dey nkrofo na eba no na ebi nkrofo dey late nya problem na mom attitude bi na fa ne say ye be pon afa na ka say last bi eno na ade be hwe ho a build the policy enye obi de it is very important nkrofo na ne omo ye adwuma na omo na ode be hwe omo so na we dey build the policy
as a young entrepreneur or say me nipa mafuna adwuma no your relationship also I say or say that bossy subject and I say or say bibia ye be flow
okay
you say oh wait me kwa na ye boys but me kwa kwatran bi na ya didi ya no ne be no me asori
ko ni na ye stage no
okay
beginning na e fa nsem no so monye attitude of the employees and so number one
okay
employee bi wo ha na ne be di agro but e ba na adwuma na unim where you stand
okay
you know onim say boss say ana madam say asa ye di agro wi obi wo ho so a oni ne ye 1-2 pe na for person do wani me form
okay
then you know say this person I have to be strict, I have to be like this. But into relationship sometimes even it's on individual level because him say nipa way we say pe na employee bi onya de buy ya can they say sales or market or this sales buy ya no be bobesia
so always go
and to when you na ma who the type of relationship to have with them
okay
and yes sir ube hu na why ya ma na broso and I say why ya ma afi why ijata and na wote adwuma mu obi antumi men it has to be managed a group point be na say growth ba na so your managers to be talking to them on your behalf that time no you can pull out now for who say you only come in when the issue is urgent you know they say the way money and you daily but when you are the face now you have to know how to relate with them and I only omoko you know when you have to be boss subject it has to come and when you see say na the my there end of year my there we have a dance we have a party that is okay but when the work has to be done especially obi enye na dwuma yi anya fe na anybody agro so sometimes people make it difficult to fire
okay
because hiring and firing is part of the job and imagine so only agro akoso ama fe there was so fire na fe nick fire na ona because ayodin but unim say hey ebani say there we are this the end and I said there's a mark so also no delay or you're careful so I think it depends on the stage of the business and the attitude of the employee you are dealing with.
Young entrepreneur breben also Michelle see tax
in fact one thing very very important as long as you are working maybe I may catch a go for say people like FDA and they are there to help us. And as I say, they have become more friendly with producers. And I am happy with that. Very friendly. Yes, so I know what I'm saying.
Mimi, FDA.
They become very, but sometimes, okay. Now, I feel, Obu or person, you be beer to her, and son wash I say, now I swear. In Tifan's first trial, why you they are market, fine. I didn't obey you, then you step in and do the correct registrations. And you know, I said there will be all corporate or person giant. Also, Nisiko is acquire product registration, acquire a product in so market.
Okay.
Then so what will really happen? But why your that test? It be a sando, the be sorry. What will say? I did a better, and I say a better. Then you go ahead and do the right from the point where you see that this business will be business. Beginning from the fans, oh yeah, trials.
Okay.
Do the trial stage.
The trials, let me take you better, say, and so 5 years and
trials in the new age now, so said they're making. wa hu say ade nkofo to a almost say ade ne kama
okay
feedback a wunya ne che say people are in a way no ebi wo ho yes ye sha se de che ya o ye na de ache obi ba o say na ade na ade che me no fa yo nza nje mi bio yes na e be da ton etu ye na o nya feedbacks na o say ade na me na can say service na me yen ka se nkofo ni je ho me ye wie bia me nya feedback say ade abaye wo high supervision ya abaye I think say aboa na wo say ade na me yere ho ye ni business ebeboa why you try why your background na a fail bia there be we no I think say me ko wom dodo we no hwan wom dodo sugar no teso wanya we nyina nkakra then you know say there's a prospect for the business then you register
me start ya mama mfiti prekopenko GR4 sempacho maybe a shop bi wo adententi no mesremo na me register na metwa mboso me tax
say your shop we na me you say me manufacturer and I'm me come from that point of but say a shop for the sake of growth you cannot hide unless say you want to do hand to mouth. Okay, these are the people you need to grow and it's hand to mouth and you can we've done this kind of business before. We understand esa na who come baby ana usro if as one so di mall and as one so di usro because you know say what there until for you to grow no do the things right. It's a shopper from day one so that you can even step back and do distribution. When you say you can give a VAT receipt, you are not afraid to go all out. Into restrictions you did to also as entrepreneurs say those statutory payments or say sometimes we avoid no.
But that is a kunyuma. Because entrepreneur osike bi make osike nyina tenta. Ene ma hia na afa. Ye ntu washas ye ko dwobiri wani ma ko gina GR4 chense. Ene ma ton ye ma 500 muso maji mo tax. Best 20 Ghana. Ejime begu.
Beginning no, every entrepreneur has that fear.
Yeah.
But the point is, everyone say Malcolm and everyone say ShopRite. Epeso mo je oniema ni bi. Niema na wako 5 and say wo ton. Now, after you know, so the tax you become once and no magic. Until I think it's almost chance grab for you to do upfront.
Yeah.
Or the beginning, no, they shall say, and build trust and build relationship with them. Until esa na unsrobium. They make sometimes no, I am not the fear of losing money. You know, near money, boja na and share the yini. Until esa na a bofoma, sabe pepe ne bofom. In the beginning, no, as much as these things come with cost, no, a boy, a human.
Nipa na mafunda juma nipa ba kono se betwa nesnet. O se betwa nesnet.
Who here pa?
Nipa ba kono.
Nipa ba kono so tia. Snet no e can say who here. You say near money be one for your own peace of mind. For your own kind say
just a juma na me kan was enye juma bia enye koru akosi juma bi o eh juma say baby bodja bia me no entimu say sikani say na odi twiaka wo ko twia ho snet.
I think that there are so many kind say ways even say when you full employee, in fact, so your contract you be offer no. Into nyina sometimes say you ni omo deal near tiase.
Okay.
It's because you need the right relationship and let me free outside. No busa say into we no me ye ne say and in fact say met me nya ho de anyini kakra nsa.
Okay.
So be a fan as a casual staff. Maybe a man casual be wo sometimes no it can spare you for some time because I understand tabletop. Now we be a corporate work and for tabletop worker say kotiasnet and ni na hu hia bom very important, but you have to also ask because now they are also coming up with help support because it's no more ever say police and as a corporate there be now they are making it easier for entrepreneurs to thrive in Ghana. So I think they are almost so year boy. Let's find the right relationship, the right connection. We will be kind of natural say at least to breathe so that when you are ready to at this stage, you know, we'll do it for you.
Okay.
Until you need the right advice and the right people to help.
There's one match I say please for the for madam because and I'm on a wood to along the line we bet me at them.
Exactly.
Say upo bisu. Brebe na betimi a hye mo so I say me mfamisa mo misika em.
Okay. I think say from day one. Normally sika no wo say wo sha sia wa sika na adi shem.
Yeah.
Choro ho.
Okay.
So an advice nya me menye accountant, me by chemist. Okay. I say choro ho. So that at any point no your money will grow with the business.
Okay.
The time be
our business no.
Yes. Choro ho. Okay. I say one book business and besia.
Okay.
Until you know the business they will have to pay with interest. Because una wo do sika e shame.
Okay.
Amount adi shame ni. The time be no business and the worker.
Me refi manchre.
Wanchro. And we di afra. Until you say company ne the worker. Yes sir. Until wo de nya botrema company ne je nkakra tua hoka. Company ne nyi do baby a. Na who say there be sika me di shame and as every baby fa say so wonya baby a wo do tibeto ne ade. We need so discuss business imo.
Yeah.
There can be a right talk, you can write something for yourself. Say there be sika share business. Everyone so now at least when your other partners are your dream boom.
Okay.
So that at least they can also bring in there is a amount way with this number of years. Say they can also work your account for their finance home to me working out these things for you to know. Say I think the amount you put in, this is how much it's worth now. We can take it for you. The company is in a position to give it back to you. Okay. One at least you can even tell them sometimes they can value it for you and give it to you. Okay. And you know, can I say at least a bit of paperwork a crack or so are fine. But be uncle so if I say the first 3 years we're not even paying yourself. Yeah. It is kind of us every day, every month now also to 20,000, 10,000. They say it's now accumulating. If they have to give it to you, and if the company is in a position to sort it out, it has to be done. And you know the audio can be our son Saka.
There's also my many fans that.
So bet me at the basic because I make us say the BB anywhere you rule now, but as much as I know, I understand. But the point is, if I say market aba, when you're ready market. Yeah. We shall see now when you're ready market. People are ready to. There are two options. When you say people are ready to buy, who bank number mount BBA fine. But when at that stage, so when BBA or customers now, okay, you find a way to tell them to pay something small.
We call ye mula hojumaba. Are they actually so entrepreneurs or no? What is in search of Biagum? But maybe a full line atom. Questions bia will be ambisa. Native Indian, my son, be ya, what you man will be no. Enyoka. Mulabre, aso, eba is here. Okay, T, boys, no so entrepreneur, so any almost shop on this way. Also, almost keep your books. Why take it? But when you are member, we are 12 and 6 and so on. Because nature, at the end, saya, you munya mesobo. Why? You see, no see a bomb period that could be a but mula dear, your bomb presser. That could be a 9, 12, 6. Because nature, baby. Okay, to maybe I want out to now, so I'll share free fee or shop maybe our war. Question be I will be a point a bit to me for so a boama or business now. We are getting. A bit in bisa question no onso contribution mi so also fabra ne fa bo obi ono so ehwe ana wo tie sene bia ye nyina so betimi agda bia meka cho se so obi enya kakra obedi a ni pa boni sam so kra so beti ni pa boni sam so kra beti bebre unsa ade yira ofia ni pedi kan bisa ne oni adwuma brajo na mpacho mi si me pant bi sha. Hey, we hear more how I mean. The Bemba Catachie. Yeah, buy what you contest a brajo. But to me see me pants and oh, oh, yeah. Then you. Hey, who is a bra? What a panty yet day. But brajo, yeah. 0302 211 0302 211 0302 211 ekosi 4 obetumi afre contributions bi na awo onso waye bodwa bi wonwa suahunu bi wom enu nwa bi enhye no nso mfa enguro ne de wo question bi ya nso pese obisa nso betumi abisa na anu ye ne mmoa ne akwankyere bia no mesesa ive etimi ede ama na so etimi aboa aguro wankasa nso de se no dika kai no bojwa no eye nketen ba se ne sika ni swenti no so amwani amre se ubesie sika na ebejo nsem Francis from Enyinam, good morning. Francis.
Sir.
Boko there.
Nanko panu boko.
Yede yamia simpachi etio.
Me pacho na me bisa we kakra for programming. Many by the way, my mentu dia many aje ho pa.
Yes.
Me upcoming a year member. Na me ne die ni person ma any to briefing kakra for the dia guidelines in the bo wa. Mr. Ramdiaman.
Okay.
By medical engineer, woman must see hospital equipment. Last year, I'm here, company registration, Focutec. Last year, I'm here. Kenya marketing, TB, invoice, new receipt, my Juma. I feel so store, and better, may operate 2 women, so maybe show final. Next thing. Then I feel so my community with banks in the company account and then 1 or 2. Then I say next one maybe this. So far, so my team engage some of the hospitals maybe I experience can year actual.
Okay.
Anyway, and I'm here. Now my next a so danger.
Okay. Mati, ebe ya no dia mama da sepa. Christy, good morning.
Morning.
Asim for to say.
Adom boko.
Mati, Christy etio. Hello, Christy.
Me pacho me ti.
Okay.
Sorry, I have to turn myself off. Pacho, me say business. Oh yeah, in this sana. Waffle be say wutrianeka.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Currently, I have a cold store, and it's less than 4 months old. But nipa no many age man, nipa se me tianeka. But no so insist say on person obey salary bia. Me I have to say any free the amount.
Okay.
In a way no, the one no shasuna be to say busiani bi do onye busiani. But me boa omo wo kwan bi so nkaka me to me. It is a see no share so mama no. As on person be sika o me ho. Ba me so me person me chianeka.
Okay.
Said the be ya obetumi aka so you say than any say and I can hold them accountable.
Mati.
Me who said the me no.
Me pacho. Grace.
Me some bisaba.
Oh, okay.
Pacho before I'm a teacher. Before one son I'm there na me a salon. Na me ye salon. Me nioma me ye salon ni nyina wo ho. Right now I'm into teaching for about 4 years. And your man so go area weeks. To me drink say I can take a loan na me dia sanso start salon na and work and pay.
Okay. Taking
the loan is it advisable?
Okay.
Me anything.
Mati, let us see. Ebe ya no de amount. Grace, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Pacho kono when you find free.
No kono mo locust.
Mati etio.
Okay. Pacho me how ne say me juma na me so me beka.
Okay.
You know na this year no ma dream about time stanka maybe baking shop no. Nanka matumi adia ayefo afedia full time kakra. But my time I'm the word mama no. The call on a part 8 the pon back 4.
Okay.
There 5 na work with you. And tonight me Jane said the piano me no part time. But then we piano. Enya part time na me tumi enya me other business no. And now to say this me employer will be na eno no obut not me fa fa say.
Okay.
Because me have it no me pay okay there. But the me share aduma me ye no e bia cakes ne kwa me ye no. Enya na fully there but the car me nyawo mu no so no kwa na eno de me ji kwa no ɛyɛ paa ne sa nti ayɛ mtutu sɛ menkɔsi baabi a mewɔ yi na menkɔ nsusuo bɛsi anaasɛ menya no sɛn pasɛ bɛkɔ aba kakra
okay mate mena say fifi kaso online but if you bacho ma few minutes now you responding to omo abai yenua abai sese die since no ke kono say e be sija no so jai
because feedback na dey unya wo mu no say yeah or say we just we jai no kwampa so na che bi no bibini a wetumi akwa baka wetumi akọ we be more notice na we jai because a risk ade a wo kan so okofo bi betena no say so ntumi nya ne se de wo pe no uja hokora no sesa ne mafra ntu be hu ana for customers kakra na wenye omo to no asan ahwere won o so wo ho nipa no training no cross so wo ne na ye adwuma na to a point no kra no o mixing be no kra no o so wa na wo san ye until you have to be there wo de wo ho be bold na take that step no wo no ho da because ye no na fe nkrofo o da na go available nti Kofo be other things aka ho be hu ana aye kese.
Yenua be nso say wafo obi adwuma. Nipa kron be so be gia akatwa. Onye ne dey.
Eno dey wrong.
Ontua ne.
Said dey tibia tua so tua ne ka. Enti no enye favor. Adwuma ye na enye favor bi ne ye obi. Yes ana wo be hu kra no dey spend wo ne ho no wo so otuatua. Kofo wo robo so man kakra. Wo be hu kra na ne bompo is more cost to her than the salary.
Okay.
But komani who say na medema no akoso oto ne niam bi out a. Enka ne ho beto no. Because niam no otuatua na edoso. Achina yese achina wunya hoto. A business owner beginning now so o pray for one hoto. Nyesa wunya sound mind emfa grow adwuma no. She said the tibi on ne international so obi be mu kura na say omone ne yese say die say ne ekono enti o sa wo sha aseje. The amount say na company ye hwa you betumi atua. Say no na de be sort bibia out into your home and so.
What's in the hairdressing way so opo give loan fast Tatiana.
And also we me no.
Okay.
First one no kra wunya nyina ye, enye nyina ye. O was said before baby adwuma bia aka ho no. Na che say first one no, won kunu nipa su ban ne say de wo kɔ no. Won hu say systems we na eboa. Asa no. Enti me de make my advice am me de am sometimes. Enye bibia no say ye odia. Ye ja yogurt e be soap, paradox soap. Na ye niema ye de ye yogurt ni si ho ye ton bibia yes I wan hwe here na ye bosom na si ho na e cost into obenya obi a obeto nipa no kro obeso obewe opa ton bibia ma no fa nko hye de odwen say e bo o hwe so na salon e bebo na onya because you have to be focused beginning no to divide your attention grow back na wo say back we amagro no we dey aye stable aye stable ameni ho cry can run ti me kwa ko bi fufu
Fifi from Kasua, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes,
Fifi, if I chair say ma ojina so chair sir. Mpacho yetio.
I think Madam Ivy Eka say you need certain contacts from the beginning to be able to grow. But then me hunya mabi minimo bia na o start here no yoba. Until now at the end of the day also try say obinya contacts na there. But most of the contacts na ba no. Omo na member. But answer no make say this links in the then they're also demanding something else from the person. And sometimes the kind of promises in there, maybe almost why shouldn't you cry now? Now, when to me, I say, Madam Ivy say, we share that. And how did she, deal with that situation?
Mate, AJ from Kumasi, good morning.
Morning.
Me patcho free Kumasi Efa.
Atosu.
Okay, patcho etio.
Me patcho me experience that my alien say. Me be container also my wife for drink and bottle water.
Okay.
Na me kaka na me need and the man about 3,000 Ghana cedis. They start here. And the na me wo adwuma mu nti ye susu kakraka nti so no fortunately me na me kwaje first and I had 2,000 at the car nti na to me na me nya se bono se me pese me pushing kakra se be obenya big capital bi na ma adwuma na tumi mu wa nti me so me ko me ye construction work nti no se be ya that bi no the adwuma no elusukwa na ono so benya bibi kakra ade support. And you need to book with the man say on record. Ibi a me fi adwuma baby a na makọ check records. Ni bi sa no adwuma no say na yato ka no say na ekọ. Na go fu. Na wa start.
Wow,
Omo friend fi ni ya school. Oh sorry, aboba money no akọ send it. Nti omo around no na take ma me na me bi sa na one me ekọ. As at now adwuma na go. Scan me na she to fi ma to shop no. Shop no so me fiala na ne ka as at now. Anything you see no or feel. It can say me sama na come back to the then I'm say you say me ya Badwam.
Okay. Mate, let us see. Nana ya from Akropong. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm Patriotio.
Hello.
Hey, Patriotio, Nana.
Madam, I say any program na more, you know.
Let us see.
Na me sika no na me boabo no nkakra akra. Ba me san lo to adwuma. Nti no madam no woni me kafa na pia on. Pati mi sa se mo apia no mi name no. Me da na fepa wo sa ncheche ya odi ama adofo no nyina.
Okay.
Na afi we ya yesi die etene nyankopon boa me wo 3 numbers a me di mad of nyina twe.
Let us say Mr. Nobody, good morning. Hello Mr. Nobody. Okay, fache mame afi yem se ba ko first one ba ko kra so ekem.
Yeah.
Also wa hihye ne niema nyina I fa this wa ba bedru. You metim dia ko wie ne kra.
Enti I think say okasko akoko places.
Yeah.
And the first no also bisa no so no man in a rush to get a shop.
Okay.
Places now akoko no o make sure so enya responses.
Okay.
Because sometimes you know o person enya bibia wie afo be wie na respond ba akokora wunya. Enti o push wo ma awakoko o mo so nkakra say bibia obetu also okoye ma o mo fancy hospital facility also okoye ma o ma on chance no nye.
Okay.
Non build this kakra van ho be 3-4 months be non the often build it. Na fe there okoye shop no nim say these are my clients.
Okay.
Because sometimes I'm build a customer base kakra. Na so okoye bibia wie na fe customers dem ma eno so go.
Ento be yasem. Em say enua be me ya ofre ansa na pani every. Na yiri also any day.
In fact,
say me man na say
onye ne day.
An onye day.
Okay. I think say the year no here sometimes the tell me kind no ebusuan sam.
Yeah.
Or say the year no bi ne tena se kasa.
Okay.
Say ebusuan ye wo hot time bia. Na wa anyere wo ho so ama de wo ekura wo na anye yi a. Ebusuan kro na betwa mo ho asan atwabo. Wa mobra. Wa anya de adwuma kro ebie ma wa anhwe so yie. Omo abesanka. Nti no de hia pa ne se adwuma no begina.
Okay.
Nti obi hia sika na make se sika no sales na aba ne nyo de o.
Yeah.
To say ne hu se sales na ekura na se 1000 or se 10000 ekura no nya ni sika.
Yeah.
Nti obi fra na se fa ne se waka kire ho se me yi me de 300 na betumi ato ho. Na so obi afro na obusa 500 ka kire se 300 na be se me ene ni sika nti emu no se 50 bi na abenya nya de bia na obi fra se opese ya wo hwe sika wukura wo de ya wo de no ene de odi ma obi bi.
Yeah.
De me kura ni nti no say na menya ama wo nti wutumi de mana se debi se dru baby na fe company ni nyina ye ni sure the rebe feed see ni nyina
Okay.
obeda wase ti sometimes or say ye more careful
So one or see enyo obi obetu ne yire ne
the year for
no what
the ekoso
the ekoso na say eye asa obi bie asa de amana
aha
obi
we na so offer o sha se so offer into offer ne ho to payroll so
offer ne into payroll
aha so betumi o no kra manage owie bibia fa ne say the o se ekoto they say into commission na bibia be ma o say sometimes nipa ni suban na be kire de obeye bu aboso me na be che tu be nwa no asa de nsabom into bia o ne ne kepu say na me amede said me ya ma wet metua woka enti me ameto bibia sales ne ba be ye ti wanya e said obi anya na adwuma etumi yi no ofoforo ba no odo yo ba ma ne hu say afa mi kun wa ye serious so aho be imedi na de manage ne sa na wa ye stable a no eja ahye ne sa
die na DJ entrepreneurs kwan die na DJ omo kwan
okay in fact in some ne doso But I think that the here wo mu pa say a person obia ehun ne say obia de bi obia say abrabo no mu ayeden asetena mu ayeden sa na obia ka but emre mu ayeden no so wutumi ye bibia nkrofo hia emu ayeden sa dan ubenya nkrofo amoma aso
okay ne wo ye na say ya ade a amanfo hia
until before idea na dey ban make sure say obia say asetena mu ayeden so say obi edidi obi ase assistant wide so mo hand dan into idea na wo ye in the midst of obi e kasa no aya ma wa idea na nye bibia nipa hia
okay
into ohia nko ade a said the TB especially the one or two system be in place but a demand be kosoro especially we a kind of say very competitive we nice we build this said the customer base that time be I check up on them and also boa enti no as much as possible no niam mu ayeden ne de yeka
okay
and so eni anu achi nka se nu nti me nhya ase
okay
me de bi am ka said the time to start is now wo twentwen so asika na ekura no kura ubedi e bia ma ho time me hwe next month no odwen se se ekura wo nani so next month be so na bibia bebom ebusu ni bia yare kwa hu na
ya sakra to niam
ya sa to niam enti the time to start is now
okay
and start small and grow it gradually
okay.
Be patient with yourself.
Yeah, that's Nyamisha.
Yes, that's.
Sano pensona beche unimdie. Yeah, wenya. Mrs. Ivy appear. You be a wabin enimde. Ye. Wo dwadie. Enkuma na hyase ene ne nyine emu. Nano penso. Odi nimdie ya wenya nso no. Abehire. Na I believe say nya da agin so etimi etie no. Ye fa ne se betimi aboa ye. Wo ye dada setimi de adwuma ye emu. A very good morning, confirmer Dr. Romeo Japan here 37 Military Hospital, also a pastor at Trinity Baptist Church. Me comes Nyamia Aduma memory day 13th of January and I me 1 week airbus me chere maame akosua ensia maame ensia no 1 week no airbus so e wo Kumasi Aduato opposite Morning Star International School no tie nyina yenko na yenko jam ye maame na otwe e de ho na busande eyi da na kasa ebetudwa Dr. Romeo Japan your 37 Military Hospital menim say wa hwe ye nyina yenko ne yenko ja no ne maame 1 week no as me did akwesi ensia kopɔ ya wo china no pa o man ne kwabena sante enu be de ahia background